Only God can do this. Only God can do this. I have not seen this act of bell around here since this place was established. I have never seen it since this church was established. I have not seen this bell around here. All of them came for a meeting, came to attack. The Lord, He said, kill them. Show them the birds. Show them the wicked bird. Let them see. Bring it closer to them. Show it. Let's draw, they zoom the camera. They see the size. Very big. Very big. Only God can do this. Show them all of them one by one. Only God can do this. Only God. Show them one by one. What did they come to do? Why? What did they come to do? What did they come to do? Only God can do this. God don't choosing. Only you can do this. Hallelujah. God don't choosing. Only God can do this. God don't choosing. Remember this thing. None of these birds was small. All of them were too big. None of them was small. Show them how they are. None of them was small. They were very big. All of them were very big. One by one. One by one. Show them. None of these birds were small. None of them. One by one. Zoom there, zoom it so you can see how size. Those ones that they are not small, they are very big, all of them. Only God can do this. God don't choosing now. Only you can do this. Hallelujah. God don't choosing. Only God can do this. God don't choosing now. Only you can do this. Hallelujah. God don't choosing. Only God can do this. God don't choosing now. Only you can do this. Hallelujah. God don't choosing. Shall we get seated? That is what we saw early hour. Brethren, all I want you to understand is we have come to serve God in reality. And that is why the kingdoms are raging. We have not come for anything adulterated or fake. We have come for reality. That is why they are raging. May I inform you, yesterday they were littered here. Two wanted to run, but they fall inside. One fell there, one was there, and there I perceived the Lord blinded, they don't know where to go. Two was still alive, but couldn't run again. Just run there and hide. Run there, they killed two of them, while the other one died on top of here. Praise the Lord. The point is, the Lord is confirming the message on 25th and 26th, that only Him can do this. So come 25th and 26th, God will kill your enemy. All those that are fighting you that you do not know. I don't know that these ones are fighting. I don't know they are fighting, but God kill them. 25th and 26th, God will kill your enemy. All those that are fighting against you, unknown to you, unknown to your family, unknown to you, this God I'm serving will judge them.